Hi, Steve here from MrPrime.com, where we help brands increase their sales on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the importance of your Amazon FBA product title and how we can actually test that to increase your performance, increase your click-through rate onto your listings. So we're just using an example of water bottles here, and the first thing you can do is, if you're already selling, you can have a look at the best competitors in your category and see how they're laying out their titles. From there, you'll see the lay of the land, you'll see whether they use short or long titles. And what we're finding is traditionally people essentially stuff their titles with keywords, which was great because that is the best thing for your organic rank. The actual words, search terms you include in your title, they are the terms that are going to rank you the highest in the search results. They have the biggest impact on your organic rank and your SEO. So that's traditionally what's been done. But what we're finding now is, with the importance of paid ads becoming more and more important, the actual wording in the title causing more customers to actually click on your product. So a high click-through rate is actually more important than having too many keywords in your title. So you may be surprised to find that now having a shorter title actually gets you better results. It actually increases your sales more so than having the long title. So here's how you actually run an experiment within your account to find the best title for you. So you need to have brand registry in place, you need to have an approved trademark, and once you have that, you can go down to brands and you've got this little tab here that says manage experiments. So it's very simple. All you have to do is press create an experiment, and you have a number of different options here. You can do main images, A+ content, but in this example we're going to use the product title. And here you'll be displayed all of your products and it will show you which ones are eligible. This one may not be eligible because it has another experiment running. It also needs to have enough traffic for you to actually run an experiment. So we'll select this product, and here you'll be presented with your current title. So that's what we're going to test against. That's the control. That is what we're running at the moment. So just copy that, and in this example we're just going to use a shorter title and see which results we get. So I'm just going to shorten that title. So it essentially has the same beginning to the title, and we've just taken out a lot of the keywords. So yes, it may hinder your organic ranking from the title aspect, but you obviously, of course, you have the back end keywords, all sorts of other things you can do to increase your organic rank. But ultimately, sales cures all. The more sales you get, the higher you're going to rank. So we're going to try a shorter title. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just schedule your experiment. I'm not going to do it for this one, but we need to just fill in the rest of the settings here. You can name it, you can write a hypothesis, so changing title X to title Y, and then we'll just see how long you want to run that for. There are other options such as automatically publish the winning version. So once Amazon's decided with a 66% probability that one title is outperforming the other, it will actually end the experiment for you. Apart from that, you can actually set a duration, so it depends how much traffic you're getting to the listing, depending on how long you want to run that. But the first experiment I would suggest you do is you just need to copy this as well into all of the variations, if it has different variations in it, and then you'll be able to actually schedule that experiment. They typically go live within 24 hours. I've not seen any that haven't been approved, but if you included something that was against terms of service, perhaps it wouldn't get approved, should I say. But have a test, continue to test and experiment within your account on all sorts of different things. Title is going to be one of the highest impacting factors, so give it a go. Even if you didn't want to run a shorter title, you could just try a completely different version of the full longer title using the full availability. So test that. I'm sure you'll get better results. Continue to iterate over time, and you're only going to increase those all-important sales. As always, the first link in the description has a link to our free community where we answer all of your questions. We can't get to them in all locations, so we answer them all in the free community where we have all sorts of free training as well. So I look forward to seeing you there. Have a good day.